Hello and welcome. Growing grapes from seeds is a rewarding and satisfying experience. The ultimate pleasure is when you see the seeds sprout. Collect the seeds from your favorite grapes variety. Collect as many seeds as possible to increase the germination rate. Wash the seeds thoroughly to remove any pulp and discard the floating seeds as they won't germinate. Allow the seeds to dry in air. The seeds can be planted in any soil that is loose and well drained. They don't need any special fertilizer at germination time. Cover the pot in a polythene bag to maintain moisture and temperature for the seed germination. Soon, the seeds start to sprout one by one. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. The seedlings produce true leaves and grow in size. Once the seedlings are 3 to 4 inches in height, they can be transplanted to individual pots. The transplant soil should contain a good source of nutrients for the young plants. Water well after transplant. Keep in partial shade for the first couple of days after transplant. Afterwards, they can be placed in direct sunlight. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.